Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to join me again, or maybe for the first time. I appreciate it. So today is part 2 of the braids care series, and I'm going to be getting into how exactly I care for my hair day to day. It's going to be very short because there's just not a lot you need to do when you have braids. But before we get into that, I feel like you guys and I, we together have built a relationship, and the way to seal that is just to click the subscribe button. Just click the subscribe button. It really helps me out. So don't forget to click that, and if you'd like to know every single time I have a new video, click the notification bell somewhere down there, and let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so this is what I do every single night. I will go in with a bit of water and a few drops of tea tree oil. Right now I'm experimenting with fenugreek water, so that's what's in this bottle, but just regular old water works. Definitely make sure to get a bottle that just mists, you know, because these bottles that sort of squirt a lot of water. You want something that just lightly mists, because you're not trying to get your hair or scalp wet. You just want it, you know, moist. So yeah, I just go in with that. Make sure I cover the entirety of my scalp. Make sure not to forget your edges. One of the main reasons that we experience breakage around the edges is because we leave them to get dry. And you know that dryness causes brittleness, and just inevitably the hair is going to break. Obviously some people just have stronger hair, but generally you want to make sure that your hair right there at the front is not getting dry, you know, so that it stays, you know, there. You don't want to lose it. Okay, so then I just go in with my fingers and just do like a massage, just to make sure everything really gets in there, you know, get into the scalp, all that goodness. Then I go in with just a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. I am currently experimenting with a different oil, but this is what you should use. Why? Extra virgin olive oil is so light, it won't cause a ton of buildup, which is just the enemy, and we want to avoid that. You want something light that does the job. Olive oil will seal without causing too much buildup all up on your scalp. Okay? So just a few drops will do. You guys, our scalps already produce oil, so you don't need too much. Okay, so yeah, just do that. Go in with my fingertips and just massage. Wow. Okay, anyway. Then after, I'll go in with my silicone scalp massage brush. Oh, my edges, not great. Anyway, if you have problem areas like me, my edges, my crown, definitely make sure to focus on those areas while you're doing your massage. But otherwise, massage the entire scalp. It's really good for you. It's one of those small things that you can incorporate into your hair care that actually makes, you know, some difference, because massaging stimulates blood flow, which in turn encourages growth. That is not to say that it will make your hair grow, you know, super fast or anything, but it's a nice small thing that contributes to your regimen. So yeah, at this point I just do my massage. I try to do 4 minutes every single night. Of course some nights you're just like, please, but consistency, like the more consistently you do it, the better your results will be. So then I just spritz the actual length of the braids. Make sure not to spritz your eyes like me. And I don't even do it all the way down to the end of the braids, because you just don't need to. Just try and aim for where your hair stops. And then I'll get just a few drops again of the extra virgin olive oil, and then just run it through. Don't put too much, you don't need it. And you don't even need to go all the way to the end of the braids with too much oil, because first of all, there's like, unless your hair goes all the way down there, but if it doesn't, that's just oil that's going to get on your clothes that you just don't need. It's just all this build up for nothing. And then you don't have to use this exact same scrunchie, but that's what I use. And I put my hair in a high bun, not only when I'm going to bed, but as long as I'm just home, I'm just chilling, my hair is always in this very high bun, because it just helps me first of all keep the hair away from my face and neck and everything, but also to try and prevent as much as possible too much tension on my edges and my crown area. Then I'll put on my satin bonnet. You guys know satin is wonderful for retaining your moisture, just keeping your moisture in there. So yeah, I put on my satin bonnet. Sometimes actually I even have it on all day unless it gets hot. And then yeah, go to bed. And that's really all I do day to day. In the morning, I literally just put my hair in whatever style I'm going to do and go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.